Man, don't you just love spring? The weather's gorgeous, flowers blooming, time to break out the grill. It's all good.
Yes. And another bonus, the kids are home from spring break. Yes, yes, yes.
That's a bonus?
So you wasn't, well, I was supposed to say that sarcastically. It didn't come across.
Tongue-in-cheek?
Yes.
Firmly implanted?
But you want to keep them busy, other than television. We've got to give them something to do. So Atomic Angela from Mad Science agreed to stick around and show us another fun project you can do at home.
Are we blowing stuff up again?
No,
that was way cool.
That is fun. That is fun. But we're going to do another one. And the kids think this is a magic trick.
Oh.
But especially the little ones. But it's not magic, of course.
And this is called the color stacker?
It's a color stacker.
Okay.
And so what we're going to do is we're going to take 4 different liquids. And instead of them combining them and mixing them together, they're going to just stack right on top of each other.
How is that possible, Angela?
Because they are different densities. So
the first thing is?
The first one we're going to start with is corn syrup.
We actually put that in our bodies.
Yes.
We should.
And that's the most.
Now you wonder why? Look at that stuff.
I know.
It's bad.
It just sticks right to the arteries.
Okay, another lesson.
Yeah, another lesson. So, and the reason this works is because it's weight by volume. So, of course, the corn syrup is going to
very
be
thick, very
thick. And then if you kind of want to drizzle it down, this is water with food coloring.
Okay.
So that's going to go.
Boy, not mixing it all. Look at that.
And even if it kind of comes down, you'll notice it pops right back up.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Whoop.
On the bottom again, that's why we have on our lab coats. On the bottom again is corn syrup.
Right.
There we go. And then we got our...
Wow.
Next.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
We're cooking with that.
All right.
Now, is this the extra virgin, or is this...
This is 100% pure, plain label vegetable oil.
Kent, it's not cold pressed, no.
Yes. Yes, this is not organic. This is just the regular.
So you didn't have to add any food coloring to that.
No.
See, I would have thought that went right through the water. But no, because
you'd be wrong.
We've stacked
I would be wrong.
And then the last one you can
add. We'd be mixing.
Yeah, that's right.
That's
and
already
you can
cool.
actually take these and like shake them and let them sit and it'll all come back.
Settle back.
And my last one I've got is just rubbing alcohol.
We're going
to add color to that.
Of course we are going to add color to that.
And this one's kind of tricky, but let me see if I can.
Okay.
Like pearl strawberry.
We're challenging our photographer this morning.
Yes, we are.
Look at that.
Right up on top.
Boy, that's good. You'd pay $30 for such a thing. You buy this. You buy this.
Exactly.
Well,
it's like a lava lamp.
I was going to say, I was this close to saying, and you could float a candle in that, but it probably wouldn't go real well with the alcohol.
Well, you know, the fun thing is after you're done, you can take different things and drop them in, and they're going to go to different levels. So that's a bead right there, and that's sitting on top of the water and underneath the, and you can just take different things. And you want to supervise the children while you do this, otherwise you end up with grandma's earrings.
Look how it brought a little bit of the alcohol down with it, but then it's like you said, it floats back up, and then it sat on the top of the water, the water, and held it on top of the water, but then finally it broke through, and now it's on top of the vegetable oil.
Yep. Yep. And if you don't have all that, you can just take water and the oil, put it, I have mine in a nice little flex here, but you put it in like a 2-liter bottle. You shake it up and it looks awesome. Cool, and the kids think these are like lava lamps.
This is going to buy you about 47 minutes.
And
that is worth every minute.
Well, but you know what? Beyond that, you could ask, what do you think the kids? I mean, you could go through the scientific process and then you get yourself another hour.
Yeah, that's right.
Hypothesize about what do you think would happen if we mixed this and
where do you think the rock's going to drop? Yeah. Where do you think the marble's going to drop?
Angela, that is great.
That is good.
That is just great. We love it when you come. And you can do this at home, or you can, have Mad Science come and do it for you. Check out.
And I'll come do it.
GreatDaySt.Louis.com. We have posted ideas for more science projects and a link to Mad Science. They do birthday parties. I mean,
summer camps we got coming up.
When I turn 50, will you come? You can do that at my
I will do it.
It'd be awesome.
I'll do it.
In 10 years, you're still going to be doing this in 10 years?
No, please.
I'll make a special appearance just
please,
for you.
Please. Thank you, Kent.
Thank
you. Who loves you, baby? Thank you, Angela.
Job.
What goes better with NCAA basketball than Buffalo Wild Wings? The answer's easy. Nothing.
And there are now 11, count them, 11 locations around St. Louis and the Metro East, with the newest hotspot in Kirkwood off of Lindbergh. We are excited to announce that Joan Story from St. Peter's will be enjoying a lot of Buffalo Wild Wings.
Because she just won free wings for a year at the new Kirkwood location, courtesy of Buffalo Wild Wings. This is a $300 prize package. Congratulations to Joanne, and thanks for watching Great Day St. Louis. We'll be right back.